这是个什么鸟？它真是太聪明了。它的狩猎方式是先把猎物的眼睛啄瞎，然后进攻，最后开饭。这也太狠毒了吧！我们看到它的鸟喙已经深深地插在了辣条的眼睛里。这个辣条看起来有点傻，应该是一只年轻的辣条。它看起来又蠢又笨，任由这个小鸟宰割。通常的小鸟看到了辣条都会远走高飞，可是这个小鸟应该是个老手。我们看到它不慌不忙，神情自若。辣条应该是遇到天敌了。
There goes one eye.
Really?
Yep.
No, I can't watch.
No. Did you bring them?
Oh. Yes, do you want them?
Definitely sympathetic to the snake.
Well, I don't know why you didn't go into the bush where it would be hard for that bird to get.
You got trapped out here.
Yeah, you know that snake often eats the birds, or the birds' eggs at least.
Oh, so it's turnabout.
Yeah. Sometimes the prey species wins, not the predator. Not really tell from it. Either I think it's a boomslang, might be an olive grass snake. And that's the bird's orange-breasted scrub robin. Sorry, it's not an olive grass snake. It's either a boomslang or a... I think it might be a boomslang.
What's the bird?
It's a orange-breasted scrub robin. It's also called the air hostess bird because it's the call it makes is a... It's like coffee tea on me, coffee tea on me.
It's the service bird.
Yeah.